Hi, my name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to welcome you to MarineMax Houston, take you on a quick tour of our 2020 Grady-White 336 Canyon. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 425s. We do have the Hellmaster joystick control as well. You see our transom area, large climate controlled fish box with freezer coils that run around the outside so you can refrigerate or freeze this box. Really makes it kind of nice. Offshore, you can fill it about halfway full of seawater, makes a real nice salt slush kind of brine, keeps your fish nice and fresh. Big bench seat folds out of the transom. A nice smooth ride on your way out or your way back in from fishing. We do have a freshwater shower located here in the transom and our engine flushes, so it makes it real nice and easy. Flush out the motors, keep them nice and clean at the end of the day. Back over here on the port side, we've got a raw water washdown and freshwater washdown. Nice easy access dive door. Makes it easy for climbing in and out of the boat, whether you're on the dock or in the water or bringing that big fish on board. This boat does carry 2 live wells located here in the leaning post. Nice extra rod storage here, place to keep your tools, pliers, knives, leaders, things like that. And then we've got extra storage here in the bottom, and then your removable tackle trays. Got to work our way forward up to the helm. Got a real nice footprint up here. This will accommodate 2 16-inch displays, plus all of our autopilot, VHF radio, things like that. Got our digital controls here, joystick control, multiple cup holders throughout the boat. Everything's nice and easy and at the captain's fingertips here at the helm. Extra storage up here in the radio box, along with life jacket storage on the bottom side of the T-top. And then we do have the Sure Shade retractable awning coming across the back here. This boat does have the upgraded stereo with the subwoofer and the amp, so you really have some nice tunes while you're out running around on the water. Kind of work our way up inside the console, which we do have room to sleep 2 adults down here. We've got a freshwater sink, which does convert into a shower as well. Lots of extra storage. Microwave located on the back side of the bulkhead, and then our main distribution panel located here as well. And we do pick up a little extra storage underneath, vertical rod storage, so these will kind of sit right in here, and then we've got some extra rod storage here too. Kind of work our way up towards the bow. Notice throughout the whole boat we've got combing pads that run all the way around. So whether you're fishing at the back of the boat, midways up, or in the bow, it's nice and easy on the legs. This boat does have the optional casting platform insert, so you can pop these out, get all the way out of the way, pull the cushions off, get ready to start fishing. We do also have a freshwater and raw water washdown up here in the bow, and then the backrests that slide in and out. Big open floor plan. This boat does have an 11-foot 7-inch beam on it, so it's enormous. Lots of square footage, easy to move around with multiple people while you're out fishing. Plus, we've also got this nice feature up here, this removable bow sunshade. So if you're kind of hanging out or just wanting to get away from the action for a little bit, nice to be able to get out of the sun. Thank you again for taking a tour of our 2020 Grady-White 336 Canyon, located here in Houston.